In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money using a Revtag on Revolut. A Revtag is a unique handle that makes it easy to find the right person without needing their phone number or bank details. If you've got the correct Revtag from the person you want to pay, you're just a few taps away from sending money quickly and securely. Start by opening the app and tapping on payments at the bottom of the screen. This is the hub for your transfers where you can see past activity and start new payments. If you're ever unsure where to begin, payments is the place to go. Next, tap on the search bar at the top. This is where you can look up people and businesses. Today, we'll use it specifically for a Revtag, which helps you avoid mixing up contacts with similar names. Then type in the person's Revtag. Enter it carefully, just as it was shared with you, and avoid extra spaces or characters. As you type, you'll see matching results. Look for the correct profile in the list. It should appear as soon as Revolut recognizes the handle. You'll see their profile appear. Tap on it to open. This brings up their payment page. Take a quick moment to confirm you're looking at the right person by checking the handle and any visible profile details. A brief pause here helps prevent sending money to the wrong account. From there, tap Send. This opens the payment screen where you can move forward with the transfer. You're nearly done. Enter the amount you want to send, then tap Continue. Choose the amount that makes sense for you. If your balance and the recipient's currency differ, Revolut will typically handle the conversion automatically, and any relevant rate will be shown on screen. Just focus on the number you want to send. Finally, review the details and confirm the payment. Double-check the recipient's Revtag, the profile you selected, the amount, and the currency if it's shown. When everything looks correct, confirm to complete the transfer. For most Revolut to Revolut payments, the money arrives almost instantly, and you'll see a confirmation right away. And that's it. You've successfully sent money using a Revtag on Revolut. Keep your Revtag information accurate, verify the handle directly with the person you're paying, and always review your details before you confirm. Follow these steps each time, and sending money will be fast, simple, and reliable.